Today on CityBilly Adventures, we're reviewing this Husky 52-inch tool chest. So we're doing another product demo today, and I'm really excited about this one. We're finishing up building my dream workshop, and I finally have room to add a large tool chest. I ultimately went with this Husky 52-inch heavy-duty tool chest. I wanted something that was well built, had lots of shallow drawers for small tools, and was mobile. I'm counting on this thing to hold most of my small hand tools like screwdrivers, chisels, wrenches, and sockets. And if I ever need to bring an arsenal of tools to a job site, these lower drawers can handle some bigger tools. This Husky tool chest is 52 inches wide and 64 inches tall. This is the heavy-duty model, which means it's built out of thicker gauge steel and has beefier drawer slides. Home Depot wanted to charge us $80 to deliver this thing, so Mrs. CityBilly and I just went to the store and picked it up. To make this unit mobile, it comes with 6-inch caster wheels that support up to 3,000 pounds, way more than I'll ever need. It comes in 2 pieces, and after it's assembled, this thing weighs over 400 pounds, and that's before a single tool is inside.
That's heavier than I thought. Oh, the handle comes out. Did you know that?
Yeah. Oh, that's what handles do.
I plan on keeping this thing right where it is most of the time, but it's nice to have the option to move it out of the way if I need to. All the drawers can be locked, and one key opens them all, except for this security box on top. That takes a separate key. All 15 drawers have full extension, soft close drawer slides that support up to 120 pounds each. This full width drawer and the large bottom drawers each have double slides for extra support. The unit also comes with rubber drawer liners for every drawer, which I thought was nice. I would have paid extra. The top lid stays open with gas struts. Inside, there's a large magnetic plate along the back, as well as a power strip with 6 outlets and 2 USB ports. My initial plan was to keep all my drills and drivers in this top section, along with a battery charging station. But these rigid drills and drivers are just a hair too tall to close the lid, so I'm going to have to adjust my plans. Retail price on this tool chest is $1,100. Home Depot currently has the gray version on sale for $900, but black is still full price.
That's racist.
The $200 price difference and the fact that this one matches my shop made the gray version a no-brainer for me, but these come in several different colors. This model is the V4 version, and Husky trimmed down some features from the V3 while still somehow increasing the price.
Thanks a lot, Bin Laden.
This V4 model is built with 19 gauge steel instead of 18 gauge, and the chest depth is down from 21.5 inches deep to now 20 inches deep. The V3 model had 2 power strips, and this one only has 1. And there's no more LED light bar in the lid or wooden work surface. But if you didn't know any of that, overall this is still a very nice, very sturdy, and very big tool chest that will be a welcome addition to my shop. And personally, I'd rather Husky get rid of a few of those extra features to prevent the cost from going up any higher. $1,000 is right around the limit of what I'd consider a fair price for a toolbox. Husky did continue to include a bottle opener. So for those of you who drink beer while working with power tools, but not canned beer or twist-off bottles, and you didn't already have a bottle opener out here, well, here's to you. Man, this seems like a lot of work for a 5-second bit. You think anybody's even gonna notice? Probably not. And if you're ultra anal like me,
That's gay?
That's homophobic.
don't forget to label all your drawers. You can buy pre-made labels online or use a label maker. And don't forget to add some pieces of Flair to make this tool chest your own.
Okay, that's what the Flair's about. It's about fun.
Okay, so more than, yeah.
Thanks for watching.